Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan and today, Monday 23 October 2023, I have 15 charts to look at that could potentially boost your trading profits today. My first pick of the day is a potential long on the US CAD. But before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. At the end of the video, I will show you, as always, my favorite trade idea for today. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Now let's get back to the USD CAD. We've got this lateral support I've identified last week. It's been whiplashing it a little bit, but I'm still focused on this flag pattern. Rising bottoms, flat top, the break. Now a retest and a continuation on the break. The US is still stronger than the CAD, so I won't chase into a Monday morning on this. I will wait for a retest this afternoon and try to get a 1 hour reversal. DAX, we've hit all the targets on the short. On the breakout, we had the swing, the consolidation, the breakout, the short at 1.618. I've closed all my positions, so this trade is now closed. In the Aussie Yen, we've got the short from up there, now consolidating, busy with a breakout. So I would prefer this market to, at this stage, to break down on a 4 hour close or two, then the retest, and then I will get interested in some shorts. Aussie in general, very weak. Yen also weakening a little bit, but Aussie, I want to be short in the Aussie. We are short on the Aussie Yen on the 1 hour chart since last week. Remember, I always close out my 1 hour trades on a Friday night. So I did exit this trade. Quite a nice profit. We had roughly a 25 to 30 pip stop loss. And as I closed out Friday night, I made my 45 pips. So a nice trade to end up the week with. But I close all my 1 hour trades on a Friday night. I do not go over a weekend. This trade is closed, but I'm trying to get back in here on a break. Maybe a 4 hour close or so below. Then the retest, and then I'm going to look for a 1 hour reversal. Then gold missed my target. My final target was at 1970, but I did keep something open like I've explained last week on the videos to you. And then I said to you, I will run a little bit through to just below the $2,000, and that got missed. But all right, we're still pushing, and I will get interested in re-entering into the trades at this support resistance level that I got here, this lateral support coming in. So I'm still interested in any retracements, but I won't be in a rush to get in. Remember, we still have the war scenario. I will stay cautiously long on gold. In the CAD Swiss, we have closed out all our trades, all our shorts here, but I'm still interested in the retracement. Seems like it's not going to happen today, most likely, but later this week, I am still interested. With a very, very strong Swiss, I would like to be short here on the CAD Swiss. Australian dollar consolidating. We got some shorts on the breakout there, and now consolidation. I like the consolidation, so yet again, I would like to see the market break below this rising trend line here, then the retest, and then I will get interest in shorting. When you look at the Aussie there and the US dollar up there, it's definitely a favorite pair to be short in. Euro pound starting to retrace. I've got the euro there, the pound there, still stronger. I like this lateral support here. Been waiting for this quite a while, but I will be patient. I will not chase into the market. So this is the level I'm looking for, 1 hour and 4 hour reversals. New Zealand doing the same as the Australian dollar, consolidating. I got this rising consolidation line, falling tops, rising bottoms, sort of a triangle. I would love to see a break and a few closes below, at least 1 4 hour close below, then a retest of this rising trend line. I would then be interested in looking for shorts on the 1 hours and the 4 hour charts. New Zealand CAD, still waiting for the retracement. Love this level here, absolutely love this level. New Zealand very weak. I would love to be short New Zealand, so I am patiently waiting for a retracement up there. If it happens, I will then look for shorts. But trading isn't just about my insights, guys. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you are eyeing in the comments below. The US Swiss retesting the level I am interested in at the 50% there at market structure there, but it's a Monday morning. We've got a lovely 1 hour reversal there, wrapping around a bunch of candles here, but because it's a Monday morning, I don't see these reversals as strong enough. I would step aside on this one, waiting for another test maybe later today or tomorrow, and then come back to the trade on a 1 hour reversal. But I will not respond on this. It's too early on a Monday morning. Brent oil, I'm still interested in this retracement to the support level. Maybe later this week. I am really interested in this. Even if I combined all these swings here, I still get a 50 to 61% trade zone here. I want to be long. Pound Swiss. Pound definitely weaker than the Swiss, and I would love to be short on the pound, meaning I'm long on the Swiss. I would like these two levels to be tested. If I can get a retracement here, I'll try my trade idea. If it fails, I'll try my trade idea yet again up there. It's two levels, a little bit wide apart. I'll do my first one here and see if I can't catch a bit down the page. Swiss yen, big level I am actually after. If you look here, it's a big level. I think I can zoom out even further. Strong support level, and that's the one I'm after. However, there is a little bit of an interim support level coming in here at the 61% on the previous high there. So if I get a test of the level, a 1 hour or 4 hour reversal, I will have an attempt at the trade idea. If that fails, this is the big level I am after. Aussie Swiss. Aussie definitely much weaker than the Swiss. I want to be short Aussie, I want to be long Swiss. So this is also the level, 61% level, market structure. If the market gets back up there, I will then consider some shorts. Then my favorite setup for today is a long on the pound Australian dollar. But first, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on my daily trade ideas. Now let's get back to the pound Australian dollar. Little head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders, shoulder, head, and another shoulder here. Strong trend up the page, and pound Australian dollar. I want to be short Aussie, so I'm fine with this. I got the neckline. We got the break. I won't chase into it. I will now wait after a 4 hour close. It's a Monday. Don't chase too fast. I would wait for the retracement, the retest, the 1 hour or a 4 hour reversal. And this could turn into a very nice target, because if you take the distance from the neckline to the head, which is almost 200 pips, if I extend that up there, you can see here we can go up to 1.94, 60, 70 roughly there. That could give me a 200 pip profit for, hopefully, I'll see by the time I get the entry, hopefully less than a 50 pip stop loss. So let's hope there for the best. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and open a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.